Okay, we are just trying to see, we're creating a graph, right? We're creating a graph from a stock news, and if there is a in a particular article, if multiple stocks are mentioned, stock tickers are there, we think that they are related. We create some sort of age between them. Okay, and as many mentioned, that many age, weight, but that is not within the same article. But okay, I think I'm just trying to introduce the topic because I think my Zoom got disconnected. Now I can do it again. I'm just doing whatever is remaining from there. So I think share screen. Okay, I think what we were doing here, we are just at the at this stage when from the list of Nasdaq stocks, tickers, and all the tickers that we found in different articles, right? When for a particular article, we found some tickers there, we created some tuples, right? We created some, I think, paired tuples, right? Because we want age between them, right? For each articles, we found it out, we're joining them. We're joining them into a big list. That all sort of things, right? Yeah, I was trying to see if I can do any more efficient way. Let's just keep it straightforward, and that's just the, yeah, I know. So this combined list, that is the last one that you can see the output. So we have all of them, and yeah, I think you can see there are duplicates. Yeah, it's okay to have duplicates because it's a list. And then another thing is, if multiple articles can mention the same two stocks, that's okay. Just weight will increase, right? So at this moment, index matching tickers, let's say. So this is the index, and then matching in between article and the Nasdaq ticker list, and then we just create the tuples, and then eventually, yeah, for each of those, and then finally what we are doing, just a big list with all the ages, right? Okay. I think in that case, stellar graph. In other case, we use the stellar graph. We used node information, age information. Okay, node with features. We can also supply age features. Age features will be the weight. Let me think about it, how to combine this and find out the weight, and then I'll come back. I think, as you told, I think rather than taking code from somewhere, you can take it step by step. So, and then for each of the steps, you think and then write code. Sometimes, yes, for simple library method lookup or reference, you can definitely Google it. Yeah, but if you can think on your own, then if you even try to take it from internet or some other sources, so you might be in a position to understand which one will be working or which one will not work, right? Probably if you want to look for efficient solutions, probably still you can take a look into it, okay? Okay, so it seems to be not that difficult. So converting this dictionary and then counter. So you can see the weight and this, everything is there, right? Okay, so if we want to create a stellar graph, right? Okay, let's say here we actually are doing a couple of things there. Let me see. So some of the stuff we already are doing it here, right? Because in the same place we find edges, right? All edges, and then calculate edge weights. That's okay. Now, so now what we can, I think this is a dictionary. So the tuples, one will go to the source, another go to the target, and another will go to the edge feature, right? That's how it will work. So for that, let me open another of my code where it will be, I can take help from one another code. Okay, this is the code that I'm talking about. Let's see what I can take from here. Okay, source, target, and edge feature. Okay, I think this is something we'll do slightly differently, but and then we believe we can do the stellar graph using this. Okay, we wanted to create the, let's say we have this one. Now, we want to create the source and target, right? So I think these keys will be these tuples, right, inside the list. And then the tuples are unzipping, unzipping, and then just taking the corresponding things, right? Source equals to, yeah, I just checked that and this actually works. Target equals to 1. And then let's not print it. So let's just print the source and target. The source AMD thing in the beginning, I believe it's all some AMD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Apple, Amazon, Netflix, AIVI. Let's see the, so no, I did not put the target. Okay. Okay, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, AIVI. So source target, and then edge, EIGH. Okay, I think I need to put it there. It is supposed to be the values, right? Values or vals, something like this. Okay. Okay, so corresponding Okay, so let's okay, I sort of got some cold. It looks like. Hello, hello. Okay, I splitting the graph, right? Okay, I think I can use this one. This find. Now finally create graph. Finally create a graph based on financial news. Okay, Pycharm ages data, no. Financial news graph data, right? So it is in markdown. I don't need things in markdown. I will need to put in. Okay, source, target, and age weights. I believe it works. So it works. Now I need to create the Pycharm